How to enable curl in cPanel. This is a step-by-step video so you can go ahead and follow easily. Now you want to navigate through your cPanel, and once inside you want to click on the file manager right here. Once inside file manager, you want to click on the public HTML. You want to click on settings, and you want to make sure that the show hidden files is checked. Go ahead and click on save, and you specifically want to find a file called php.ini. If you cannot go ahead and see it, you can just go ahead and create a new file right here, and you want to click on create new file. Right after that, you can just go ahead and click on edit, and you want to enter this specific code right here, which is extension phpcurl.dll. Go ahead and click on save changes, and you should be good to go. So if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.